Video 855, Bombs for Josh 155. We need some type of God mode in game mode so that Josh can test the level design by setting down explosions, right? Well, G is already taken for game mode, so instead of God mode, we're going to have fuck around mode, which is a sub mode of game mode. So let's go down here. So in the system index, we have split fuck around modes into two subsystems. KeyFamD for fuck around mode data beneath BOMAuth, and then KeyFamF for fuck around mode functions beneath keyalts. Within const macros by system, we have stubbed in KeyFamD here beneath BOMAuth, and then we have stubbed in KeyFamF beneath keyalts here. This is the constant data for these two systems. In data by system, where we lay out all of the different data for all of the different subsystems in dependency order, beneath BOMAuth, we have KeyFamD, fuck around mode data, beneath BOMAuth, right? Just stubbing it in. And then we also have KeyFamF, fuck around mode functions, beneath keyalt, right? We're just stubbing in these sections. We're not writing any logic just yet. Okay, then beneath the BOMAuth function section, we have the KeyFamD function section. Nothing should ever go in here because the functions belong in KeyFamF. However, for the regularity of the project, we still need this section even if it will remain empty forever and forever. For the regularity of the project, we need this section, right? We need consistency in our code base, right? Okay, so beneath keyalts, beneath the keyalts function section, we have the KeyFam functions, the key fuck around mode functions. As we add functionality, that functionality will go into functions between this marker here and this marker here. And that's it. So here's a little diagram. Like if you want to take a look at some diagrams for the blast radius of the Jax bombs, you can get that information here. And then my footnotes for my kind of thought on what I needed to code in this delta, basically. This is the changelog for delta 855. And then if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are here. Tech demos only are here. And the source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder, and I am making a game engine from complete scratch. If you want to see how to make a game engine, you need to like, subscribe, and follow. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm going to sell 1 million copies of a hit game. Like and subscribe.